Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through the new ImagR feature, one-click preparation. To begin, navigate to imag-r.com and select one-click preparation in the top menu. As the banner explains, the workflow is simple and efficient. Upload, prepare, export, all in a single streamlined process. Let's get started by uploading an image. Click the Upload button, choose your file, and the preparation form will open automatically. Here's a quick overview of the settings. First, the measurement unit. You can choose between inches and millimeters. Select whichever you prefer. In this example, I will use millimeters. Next, enter the final width or height of your engraving. These values define the exact output size, and you will not change them later. When you enter one dimension, the other updates automatically to maintain the correct aspect ratio. This prevents accidental stretching and ensures a clean, precise result. Now let's look at the DPI field. If you click the small question mark icon, you will find a detailed explanation including fully tested and mathematically verified DPI recommendations. In my setup, I use 318 DPI because my compound lens allows me to run higher resolutions. For most diode and CO2 lasers, around 254 DPI is a common starting point. If your engraving looks blurry, try a lower value such as 212. If the individual dots become too visible, try something higher like 282. Once you find the ideal DPI for your material, you can simply reuse that value for all future engravings on the same material. With that done, select your material. In this demonstration, I am engraving on birch plywood, so I choose wood. Now click Generate Laser Ready File and let the system process your image. Depending on your chosen DPI and final dimensions, the processing time may vary. And here's the result, a perfectly prepared engraving file. The details are crisp, the tonal transitions are smooth, and there are no unwanted shadows or overly dark regions. To download the file, simply click the result image. The download starts automatically. Next, let's switch to your laser software. I am using LightBurn. If the imported image looks unusual at first, simply zoom in. This is a display limitation. Monitors typically cannot show high DPI dithered images correctly. It does not affect your engraving. Open the image settings. For my 80-watt CO2 laser on birch plywood, I use 120 millimeters per second, 14% max power, 1% min power. The most important setting is pass-through. Make sure pass-through is enabled. If it is disabled, LightBurn will reprocess the image and overwrite the optimized preparation, reducing quality significantly. Start the engraving and let the machine do its work. As you can see, the tones are clean, the details are sharp, and there are no artifacts or burn marks. The entire preparation process takes less than a minute, and the best part, it is completely free. ImagR guarantees a 100% accurate result. No unintended changes, no distorted faces, no surprises. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really supports us. And if you want to help even more, feel free to leave a comment. We appreciate every single one. Enjoy using the new feature and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.